In this video, we're going to start setting up the geometry. We'll import the wind blade 3D model and we'll set it up in the correct location and orient it properly. We'll start by going under component systems and dragging in geometry. So right click on geometry. We'll go under import geometry. You want to import this file from wherever you have it saved. I've used it before, so it's right there. Import it. Now right click on geometry again and hit edit geometry in space claim. So it'll come up slowly. Okay, so we got our body in space claim now. The first thing we need to do is rotate it so its axis is parallel to the y direction. So we'll click move, then select the body over here on the side so we get the whole thing. Then we'll click on the anchor so you can set the anchor at the origin. I'll rotate it 90 degrees so that it is vertical. So we'll click off it. So now we need to orient the blade in the XZ plane to set the pitch angle properly. So we're going to go back to body mode and we're going to select the top face of this blade and going to create a sketch on top of it. We'll view normal the sketch, take a look at the sketch, and we're going to draw the chord line on the blade in this plane. So that's the leading edge to the trailing edge. We'll hit escape twice to get out of this sketch. We'll go back to 3D mode to trimetric view, and we're going to need to create the XY plane so that we can measure our chord angle against that. And it can be easier to just create all three planes, so I'm going to do that and then delete the ones that I don't need, which is the XZ plane I don't need and the YZ plane I don't need. So now I have my curve, which we can't see. Now we can see the curve and the plane. So go back to viewing it from the top. We can see the chord line and the XY plane aren't perfectly aligned. We want to measure the difference there. So go up to measure, click on measure, and control click on the XY plane and the chord, and we'll find the angle between them is 1.06 degrees. So we're going to need to rotate the blade clockwise 1.06 degrees to bring it back to neutral pitch. So go back to design, zoom out a little bit, click off the measurement. Then we'll move. Once again, select the blade. We'll pick the origin. We'll pick an anchor. Pick at the origin, like so, and then we'll just move it minus 1.06 degrees. The minus so it goes clockwise, and now it's oriented properly. It's worth noting that this line doesn't rotate because it's on the sketch, not actually attached to the blade. So it's not quite at the leading edge anymore. So we're just going to delete the line and the XY plane. We don't need them anymore. We don't want them in the way. So now we're going to set the pitch angle to 4 degrees. So once again, we'll click move, select the blade body, anchor at the origin. That didn't do it right. Anchor at the origin. And we'll go, once again, 4 degrees clockwise, minus 4 degrees. And that's good. And so once again, we see we have the full body. The line hasn't changed the body at all. So we'll go back to trimetric view. And finally, we'll move the blade. We want to move it 40 millimeters away from the origin so we can simulate the hub spacing. We'll just move it up. We don't need to move the anchor for this since we're not rotating it. We're just moving it the Y direction. Type in 40 millimeters. And that's it. And now is a good time to go through and save our project. So we're going to go back to Workbench, go up here, File, Save As, pick a place to go. This is where I want it to go. So I'm going to just call this GHS Blade Tutorial. And if you're just going to save this to your desktop, it's okay to save it as a WBPJ. It'll save this, and it'll save a folder with some files attached to it. And so that worked for me. But if you're going to share it, put it in a flash drive, you may want to archive it as a WBPZ file. So you can just go like this. The name's the same, obviously. And then just save. And then you want to make sure you check on import files external to the project directory so that your blade file will also be saved in with it. And you can save that and it'll be on one nice piece and you can share that easily.